Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will have a look at the X2Y2. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on. And now let's just jump straight into our video. So X2Y2 is an NFT marketplace on Ethereum network with 100% revenue shared with X2Y2 token stakers. You can buy and sell NFTs on X2Y2 and actually get rewarded. I will explain it in a lot more detail in this video, make sure to watch till the end. Under Explore tab, you can see different NFTs from different collections. You can use these filters to find a specific collection. We can also see activities, all the sales, listings, offers, and transfers. Under rankings, we can see the top performing NFT collections of different time frames. You can change the time frame from here. For example, right now we're seeing the top performers of the last day, but if I click on this, we will see the top performers on the last week. And you can change it to 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. And now let's have a look at the rewards section. So when I hover over the estimated trading rewards, we can see how X2Y2 calculates the rewards. For trading rewards, your trading fee divided by total trading fee today and times daily X2Y2 trading rewards. For buyer rewards, your buyer points divided by total buyer points today and multiply it by daily buyer rewards, which is 20,000 X2Y2 tokens. And we can also see the next distribution will take place in 13 hours and 9 minutes. So these rewards are being distributed on a daily basis. Compounder and staking is just basically staking. You can stake your X2Y2s here to get a 73.4% APY. You can hover over the question mark to see how it's calculated. On Compounder, you stake X2Y2 and earn X2Y2. But on X2Y2 staking, you stake X2Y2, you earn X2Y2, and W Ethereum. And lastly, let's have a look at the ILO. There is no private sale on X2Y2. Instead, X2Y2 conducted an initial liquidity offering to raise the funds needed for Uniswap initial liquidity. So that concludes the rewards. When you click on your profile, you can see all the details of your profile, your items, your favorites, your offers, your activities. You can change the settings. You can also see the balances on your wallet, and you can also see your rewards. If you've bought any NFTs or sold any NFTs, you will get your X2Y2 rewards. And when you click on my items, you will see all your NFTs. Right now I'm using an empty wallet to record this video, so there are no NFTs in this wallet. But if you have any NFTs on this wallet, you can just put it on sale on X2Y2 and get your rewards. And as you can see from here, the current X2Y2 price is 18 cents. You can also change the website to the dark mode by just clicking on this. And lastly, you can see the trending NFTs and hot collections. On OpenSea, you only see the collections performing on the OpenSea, but X2Y2 shows different marketplaces and different performing collections. So for example, on X2Y2, we can see the top performance on OpenSea and also looks rare. And that pretty much concludes our X2Y2 video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos for our NFT tutorial playlists. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page because we share very motivational quotes, important informations, crypto memes, and everything there's to know about crypto world and business world in general. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.